Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your JBL 3X when the left side is not working. Both sides are paired to the phone and also paired to each other. Sometimes one of the earphones will not work. Most likely it will be the left side because it's being controlled by the right side. If the left side is not working, then it's most likely that it's not paired to the right one. Now here's what you do. First of all, you have to turn your headphones off just by long press for 8 seconds on each one of them. You have to do it manually. Then turn off your Bluetooth on your phone, it's very important. Don't put them back in the case. When it's off, turn both of them on by long press for 5 seconds. Now when both of them turn on, simply press 3 times on each one of them, 3 times. And they both should start blink blue and white and pair to each other after a few seconds. That's usually only the right one should blink, but in this mode it happens that the left one is blinking as well and pairing with the right one. That's it, the earphone should work just fine now. Funny thing I find out is that you can actually pair any left and right earphones, even if it's not from the same color. Just have to repeat this process and that's it. You can pair anything. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumb up in the comments if you find it helpful.